I need to be calm. I need to stay calm. Instagram have come out with the best feature ever in life. Oh God, that was really scary. They've come out with the best feature ever. It's audio messages. I'm going to teach you right now how we can send a voice note. So think WhatsApp. You know how you can send a voice note to someone? I'm going to teach you a quick and easy way, no fluff tutorial. We're going to get started right now. I'm not going to say subscribe to my channel, but do subscribe to the channel. First off, let's open up Instagram. Okay, so this is what the home page of your Instagram looks like. If we click on the bottom right, that's our, give me a follow if you like, @official Veena V. Click at the bottom on the right on your profile picture. That's how you get to see your profile. Then click back onto the home page. And can you see that it's kind of like a, what do we call that? Like an aeroplane? It's not an aeroplane, it's like a flag. So I don't know. Anyway, that thing in the top right-hand corner that you can see, like a paper aeroplane, that's it. We're going to click on there. And this is how we access our messages. Top right again, we are going to click on the plus sign. So say I want to message, let's message my daddy. So Real Mauritius. Let's click on him. Then we're going to click on next. Okay, right, now can you see you've got that little microphone option, and all we do to send a voice note to someone is you're going to hold it down. So press on it and hold it down. Hi, Daddy. I just want to say I love you. Okay, bye. And that's it. Simple as that. And to send the message, you just take your thumb off and it will send away. If you are doing a message and you make a bit of a mistake, or you're like, what was I talking about? You can also delete the message as you're recording it. So again, we click down on the microphone. And then can you see there is a trash symbol. So if we simply slide our hand to the left and click on the trash, it goes red and it's gone. That person will never knew we did it. So there you go. That is how you use the brand new audio messaging feature on Instagram. But why is this good if you're a business owner like me, or even if you want to grow your YouTube channel? This is a great way to interact with your followers and your subscribers. Now, if you're lazy like me, I hate replying to emails. I hate replying to text-based things. This is why I love WhatsApp so much, is because I can just send people voice notes all the time. I'm walking, send them a voice note, you know, cooking, send them a voice note. It's just so much more easier. So this feature on Instagram is great because not only will it save you that time, it's also gonna really build your connection with people and just engage your followers and subscribers much more. Let me know in the comments if you try this out. I'm definitely going to be doing this, so DM me on Instagram @official Veena V, and I promise, at the time of recording this anyway, I promise I will send you a voice note back. Thank you so much for watching. There's some videos on your screen now. Go and watch those other tutorials, because I am here firing you up to be an ultimate action taker and helping you make effortless YouTube videos.
Don't know why. I believe we'll find a way from far behind. Hope is blind.